Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Verify the Google account that owned the events and open Chrome on your Android. Once done, tap the three dots and enable desktop site so you can access calendar. Google.com. You sign in with the same account used on the phone. This is essential because Android's app can't restore deleted events alone. Make sure Calendar Sync is enabled in Settings right arrow accounts, so restored items will reappear on your device after you finish restoring them in the web interface. Once the desktop view loads, go to Settings or the three-line menu and choose Trash. Google keeps deletions for about 30 days. You'll see deleted entries. Tap each event to preview and choose Restore, or use Multi-Select to restore many at once. Make sure you set the correct destination calendar if prompted, because events restored to a different calendar won't appear where you expect. This web-only restore moves events back into your Google Calendar account, which pushes them to devices that are synced. After restoring on the web, return to your Android and force a sync. Settings right arrow accounts right arrow Google right arrow sync now or toggle calendar sync off and on. Give it a minute and then open the calendar app. The restored items should appear. If they don't, clear the calendar app cache or remove and re-add the Google account to refresh permissions. If you can't find items in Trash, check you used the right account or the deletion is older than 30 days. Those cannot be recovered via.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.